Hello guys, so we are creating our Angular project. I will use a command prompt for creating our Angular project like cd desktop so that we can use desktop. We will be creating a node. Let's first see the node version, that is 18.18. Now let's create our Angular project using command ng, not ng Angular frontend, but ng space new space name of our project, that is frontend. Okay, and on clicking enter it will start creating our frontend project, that is Angular project. It will take some time, like would you like to add Angular routing? Yes. And which style sheet format would you like to use? This, it's up to you. You can use CSS, SCS, SAS or less. So here I am using CSS. You can use SCS also, SAS also, or less also. Okay, and I have also taken Angular routing as yes, because we would be needing Angular routing. Okay, then it started creating our front-end project, that is there are different files: angular.json, package.json, readme, tsconfig.json file, then git ignore file. It's all being created in our Angular project. This is how Angular creates most of the files for us so that we don't have to create them. We also have app.component.html file, then .spec.ts file, then app.component.ts file, and app.component.css file. We have main.ts file, polyfill.ts file, styles.css, and test.ts file, which are being created by our Angular project for us so that we can use most of the things in our project. Now it's also initializing some more packages in the npm, that is node package manager. It's installing some of the packages for Angular project which could be used in our Angular project. It will take some time because we have most of the files or folders Angular uses are getting installed using node package manager npm. Okay, then so it will take some time, and here we go. Package also installed successfully, and it has given some warnings. These warnings are not much bad. You can see that in the working copy, if it will be replaced by crlf the next time git touches it. Okay, so these are the warnings for git. Okay, our git is also being initialized in our project.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
After starting it, here my Python program is being running. Let's go to file, then new folder. Let's go for open folder. Then in open folder I will open our folder, that is front end. Select folder and it will start. So we have different types of files or folders, that is node underscore modules folder. This is one of the important folders for an Angular project. If it gets deleted, your Angular project will get most of the greatest and errors. So it's one of the important packages, node underscore modules. Then we have .VSCode module. Then we have src folder, and there are other files like read.md file, package.json file, and tsconfig TypeScript config.json file. Inside our src we have an app component, and in app component we have app.routing module.ts file, component.css file,